Hey guys, how are you all? Welcome back to the channel again. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how can you disable or how can you unsubscribe your Snapchat Plus which you have subscribed on your phone. So firstly, I'll show you that there is no Snapchat Plus subscription on my account, but I will today show you that how can you delete if you have that subscription on your phone. How can you cancel that? So in order to cancel your subscription, the first step is to go on the setting option of your mobile phone on your iPhone here like this. This is my phone and this is my setting option. I will scroll to the down. You will see a lot of setting here, but what you have to click is the first option showing my name Sitanshu Shekhar Mishra, and this is my account. And here you will see an option called subscriptions. Just click on that option. It will take 10 to 20 seconds to get open here. I will click on the subscription on the fourth. Let it be open here on my mobile phone. What we have to do simply, we just need to cancel our subscription phone, our Apple ID. When you delete it, you will get it. So you can see there is inactive subscriptions here on my mobile phone. If you have any type of active subscription, you will also see that. So I will click on Snapchat because my Snapchat is already expired, so there is no option to cancel that. But you have an active subscription, so you will get an option of cancel subscription right here on the screen. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked it. We will meet again with next time the best video with all of you. If you have any question, any query or any confusion regarding any topic, so just drop that topic into the comment section. Thank you so much for watching it.